Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn off the notifications quality filter on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The platform recently rolled out a new update, and the steps look a little different than before, but don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open the X app on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left of your screen and find the Notifications tab. Click on it to open your notifications timeline. This is where you see all your mentions, likes, and alerts in one place. Next, to start adjusting your filters, look for the settings icon. You'll usually find it near the top right corner of the notifications page. Give that a click to open your notifications settings. Inside the settings menu, find the section labeled Filters. This is where X lets you control what kind of activity appears in your notifications timeline. When you click on Filters, you'll see an option called Quality Filter. By default, it's often switched on to help reduce what X calls low-quality notifications, but sometimes that also hides updates you actually want to see. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch next to Quality Filter. Once the switch moves to the off position, that feature is disabled. From now on, your notifications timeline will display all interactions without filtering anything out. It's a great way to make sure you never miss replies or mentions, especially if you engage with your audience regularly or want a more transparent view of what's happening on your account. After turning it off, you can close the settings window and your changes will be saved automatically. Take a moment to check your notifications timeline to confirm that everything looks the way you want. And that's it. You've just turned off the quality filter for notifications on X using your PC. If this tutorial helped you, share it with someone who might need it, and explore more tips like this to stay in control of your experience on X.